What's up, guys? Super short video on how to adjust loose square body mirrors. You just need a few basic hand tools like a screwdriver, maybe a Torx screwdriver, and then a 10mm socket. You can have them adjusted where when you slam your doors, they don't move around. What's going on, guys? Do you have a 73 to 87 Chevy truck that the mirrors just, every time you slam the door, they move in, move out? So as you can see, it's kind of set up how we normally would. Moves a little bit, moves a little bit, moves a little bit. So I'm going to show you how to fix loose square body mirrors. It's real simple. Honestly, not a whole lot to it. There's just one screw on the bottom here. I've seen them with Phillips heads or a small Torx. This one just happens to be a Phillips head. So all you'll do is just kind of move your mirror out of the way. Remove your bottom screw. And then slowly work this up out of the way. And these two screws right here will what you will tighten around this post. These just happen to be a 10mm. So we'll just tighten the bottom one till it kind of bites. Tighten the top. You can see that top one was pretty loose. Then just crank them down. As you can see, that mirror is tight now around the post. And then you just reverse your process. Kind of get your mirror put in place. You'll grab your screw. Feed it up through like the little speed clip in the bottom. Tighten it back down. You can adjust your mirror. It no longer moves. Super simple. It's kind of an annoying problem these square bodies have, but like I said, super simple to fix. One bolt or one screw on the bottom here. Pull that screw out. Slide up this cover, revealing the two bolts, tighten those down, and then they tighten up around the post. You can see it doesn't move very easily. So now your window or your mirrors are adjusted. Super simple, super easy. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.